Thunderstorms with the potential of a few to be strong to severe. Back in the forecast for Friday and Saturday in Texas. Today is Friday, March 6th. Here's what you got to know. The weekend looks like this: a high near 80 on Friday. We'll see about 50% coverage of thunderstorms mid to late afternoon. The intensity of the storms will be highest Friday afternoon and evening. Saturday morning, we're going to see slightly higher coverage of rain. The intensity will be lower, but this is going to be, again, higher coverage since we could see some heavy rain. The high of 67 happens in the morning. We drop to the low 60s by the afternoon. Drier on Sunday with a high of 70. You could see a stray shower, but most of us stay rain-free. Let's talk Friday's severe weather potential. Most of the Metroplex is in a level 2 out of 5. That's a slight risk for severe weather. The orange that you see there, that is actually an enhanced risk. That's a level 3 out of 5. That's where we are more likely to see the severe weather, and that's also where we are more likely to see that low tornado risk. Areas of the Metroplex could very well see an isolated storm or two with up to quarter-size hail, 50-plus mile-per-hour wind speeds, and heavy rain at this point can cause some issues just because our ground is saturated still from Wednesday's rain. Late Friday morning into the early afternoon, just a few little showers in the area, but after about 1 or 2, we'll start to see an isolated thunderstorm or two popping up, mainly west of the DFW area, working its way towards the north. The highest coverage, again, will be about 50%, meaning half of us won't see the rain, but those isolated thunderstorms that happen to really gain strength, that's where we could see the isolated hail and strong wind potential. Again, most active period mid-afternoon through the evening. I'm going to show you here how this coverage kind of goes up. That's about 4. That's now showing you 5 p.m. That's still about 5 to 6. That's closer to 7. Activity winds down after 7, drier by midnight. This is Saturday morning's threat. DFW is included in a level 2 or slight risk. P to quarter-size hail, 40-plus mile-per-hour wind gusts. The intensity of these storms will be lower in terms of severe weather, but heavy rain will be likely during this time period. This is where we pick up the bulk of our rainfall. Saturday morning, drier in the afternoon. By the way, the threat increases for southeast Texas and along the coastal bend on Saturday afternoon and evening. Most of tonight will actually be dry, but around 4 or 5 in the morning, we'll start to see some rain along our western counties. Coverage expands to include the rest of North Texas as the morning goes on. But look at this. By the afternoon, it starts to dry out. Sunday looks dry. We could pick up another ½ inch to inch of rainfall between today and tomorrow, with the bulk of that happening Saturday morning. Again, we're still pretty saturated, so make sure to be careful if you do have any plans out and about on Saturday, and enjoy Sunday, because next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, look to be other days with high interest in terms of thunderstorms.